Hindi. Hi guys. So akala ko magmumukbang ako pero hindi pala ako magmumukbang. So for today's video, i-review natin itong wafer time na biscuit na to. If you are in the Philippines, i-review natin to kung ano ang lasa, kung gaano siya kasarap, at kung ano ang maibibigay natin 1 out of 10 ba. Okay? Let's try. So if you are not in the Philippines, this is wafer time and this is a wafer biscuit in the Philippines. So look, it's thick. Sa isang pack,